Hi, I'm Nikolaj Krohmann, OEM Business Development Manager of Flowcon. Flowcon's vision is to improve efficiency, increase simplicity, and secure stability in waterborne HVAC installations. This mission drives us in all project phases, from planning over maintenance to end-of-use handling. Our innovative products tackle and prevent problems caused by pressure fluctuations from system load variations, ensuring a trouble-free solution that saves you money and reduces the project's CO2 footprint. Founded in Denmark in the mid-1980s, our roots trace back to the 1960s through our group members Griswold Controls, Flowcon IVC and Flow Control. Over the years, we have sold countless valves and have become the leading manufacturer with the largest install base of dynamic and PICV valves worldwide. Our valves has been in operation for over 25 years, proving their reliability and durability, and we proudly say, your environment, our commitment. Flowcon's solutions have been trusted by some of the most prestigious projects around the globe. We have delivered PICV solutions to iconic structures such as Marina Bay Sands in Singapore, the Walkie Talkie in London, the Tornado Tower in Doha, and the Holy Mosque in Mecca. In the data center industry, we have supplied valves to all major players for decades, ensuring efficient and reliable cooling solutions. Our headquarters is in Denmark, and we have offices in China, Singapore, Dubai, and the USA, covering the world with our expertise in HVAC solutions. We are proud of our global presence and our ability to meet the needs of diverse industries, including office buildings, hotels, hospitals, and data centers. Are you curious to learn more about Flowcon's technology and services? Contact us today and we'll be happy to assist you in discovering how our innovative solution can benefit your project.